Well, we know right there that picture is enough to make a lot of people angry. Haiden Deegan winning in general and going 1-1 at Paula for the first round of outdoors. Just going to trigger people in general just because you put the name Deegan and Hayden and winning. Well, people get mad because of who he is. Made even worse by this right here. Apparently, obviously not apparently. He goes off track. You can see he accelerates, then lets off and doesn't really gain any time. Doesn't really affect the race at all. If you look at it, like when he left the track to when they were going over the other jump, he didn't gain, if not anything, he lost a little bit of ground. Jeez, I can't speak. But the controversy or the drama from this comes from Vial did basically the same thing, went off track, accelerated. Who knows if he gained some time or not. It's hard to tell really, depending on how much it really helped. Going uphill, if you're off the track, not accelerating, yeah, you're definitely gonna be hurt. But the fact that Vial went 3-3 for the day, ending up obviously third on the podium. He should have gone, well, he went 3-3, but he got penalized for his off track excursion, so he technically went 4-3. And that's where people are mad because if you have, it's the AMA again, or Feld, whoever you want to blame for it, not being consistent. Where if you have one person get a penalty for doing something, another person should get a penalty for the same thing. And obviously, there are varying degrees of gray area. Like if somebody goes off the track, full throttles, downshifts, and rips it across, like obviously that should. If you go off track and you give a little throttle so you don't slide or to get turned or whatever to bring your rear end around, then yeah, there's varying degrees of it. But of course, like I said, it's Haiden Deegan, so if he's not going to get in trouble because somebody else did, that's obviously going to make a lot of people mad. But here's my question to you guys. One, do you think they both deserved a penalty? Did neither of them deserve a penalty? Are you happy Haiden Deegan won? Did you go to it? Did you watch it? Whatever. Are you going to any this year? Whatever you want to say. Comment down below. Somebody's already answered my churros question, so it's going to have to be, do you like Danish? Let's go with Danish. That's a nice little extra food, but I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you thought of the race. What do you think of the penalties, non-penalties, Levi Kitchen's hair even, whatever. And with that, well, like I said, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.